A rover lands on Mars, thousands of miles from Earth. There's no joystick, no pilot, no live instructions from mission control. Because signals take up to 20 minutes just to travel one way. Instead, that rover explores on its own. It chooses which rocks to study, navigates around obstacles, and even makes decisions about where to go next, without waiting for humans. Or imagine telescopes scanning billions of galaxies, producing more data in a single night than scientists could analyze in a lifetime. Yet within that flood of numbers, AI quietly detects planets, black holes, and signals that may hint at life beyond Earth. The truth is, without artificial intelligence, modern space exploration would be impossible. And the future, AI may not just help us explore space, it may be the explorers. Welcome to AI Unlocked, the channel where we explore artificial intelligence, future tech, and the tools that are changing the world. Today, we're diving into how AI is used in space exploration. Space is vast, dangerous, and unpredictable. Human decision-making simply can't keep up with the scale and speed required. AI fills that gap. It can process enormous amounts of data, detect anomalies humans miss, and operate in environments where human presence is impossible. In short, AI is the brain that makes space exploration practical. Take Mars rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance. These robots can't wait half an hour for Earth to answer every small question. Instead, they use AI to navigate rough terrain, avoid hazards, and decide which samples are worth studying. AI also helps robotic arms drill, scoop, and analyze soil. These autonomous decisions save time and maximize the science collected during missions. Future rovers will be even smarter, capable of conducting full experiments without human oversight. AI is transforming satellites too. Instead of sending raw data back to Earth, satellites can now process information in orbit, filtering out noise, spotting critical events, and responding in real time. This means detecting forest fires, tracking hurricanes, or monitoring ice sheets faster than ever before. AI also helps spacecraft manage themselves, adjusting flight paths and conserving fuel on long journeys. The ultimate goal: spacecraft that operate independently, navigating deep space with minimal instructions. Modern telescopes generate overwhelming amounts of data. The James Webb Space Telescope alone collects terabytes of information daily. AI algorithms sift through this mountain of data, identifying galaxies, mapping exoplanets, and flagging unusual cosmic phenomena. Some AI models are even trained to detect radio signals that might suggest extraterrestrial intelligence, sorting through noise to find the faintest whispers from the cosmos. Without AI, much of this data would go unanalyzed, leaving discoveries hidden in plain sight. But here's the mind-blowing part. What happens when AI doesn't just assist exploration, but leads it? Stick around, because the idea of AI as our first true spacefaring explorers could change everything. Sending humans into deep space is expensive, risky, and limited by biology. Machines don't need food, oxygen, or sleep. That's why some scientists envision AI-powered spacecraft traveling to distant planets or even other star systems. These probes could operate for decades or centuries, making decisions long after their human creators are gone. It raises a fascinating question. If AI explores worlds we never reach, does that make them pioneers in their own right? Even when humans do venture into space, AI plays a critical role. On the International Space Station, AI assistants help astronauts troubleshoot equipment and plan experiments. In future missions to the Moon or Mars, AI could manage life support systems, monitor crew health, and even step in as a medical advisor if emergencies occur millions of miles from Earth. AI won't replace astronauts, but it will be their most vital teammate. AI in space raises profound questions too. If an AI makes a discovery on Mars, who gets credit? Should autonomous spacecraft have limits on what decisions they can make? Could we ever trust AI enough to represent humanity in first contact with alien life? These aren't just technical issues. They're questions about responsibility, trust, and the role of machines in shaping humanity's destiny. From rovers to telescopes to deep space probes, AI has already become essential to space exploration. In the decades ahead, it may take on an even bigger role, navigating uncharted worlds, making discoveries, and expanding human reach into the universe. The real challenge will be ensuring that as AI becomes our eyes and ears in the cosmos, it reflects our values here on Earth. Artificial intelligence is transforming space exploration, turning impossible missions into reality and unlocking secrets of the universe that once seemed beyond our reach. If you found this video fascinating, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our deep dives into the world of AI. And in our next video, we'll bring things back down to Earth with the future of shopping, AI in retail. From personalized recommendations to cashierless stores, you'll see how AI is reshaping the way we buy and sell.